Hello everybody, a healthy day to all my dear parents and my students. Hope all are doing good and all are healthy and hygiene very good. We are in front of you to share few views from the management of Spring Valley. So here we have Mrs. Kamala Bharati, correspondent and principal of Spring Valley and Innovative School, Aminpur branch. Ma'am, go ahead.
Hello everyone. In representing all, Spring Valley would like to express our sincerest appreciation to our parents, guardians and students for your incredible patience and flexibility as we conclude our 2020-21 academic year. We understand the enormous responsibility and challenges that remote learning placed on parents, guardians and students as you had to create time, space, routine and support for learning at home. We realize that all our families are experiencing a very difficult time and that there are many other ends in addition to student learning that are very critical as we have to work through this crisis together. We are so thankful to our families, nothing but my parent community and students for all the amazing gestures of kindness and generosity that we keep experiencing about making a child learn, watch videos, assignments and project completion and examinations. We honor all of you and your acts of generosity and kindness, patience and resilience and fortitude and determination that you have demonstrated. We strongly believe that we are together, we are one, and you have proved that with your utmost support in the completion of this academic year during this pandemic situation. So far, the last year we have conducted the classes through the offline mode, making our school app as the platform. But this academic year, that is 2021-22, we are planning to go ahead in the online mode if the same situation prevails. All the homeworks, circulars, worksheets, assignments, projects will be posted through our school app. Regular conduction of classes will be done in the online mode for a better understanding of the student-teacher interaction.
So for better teacher-student interaction, this year we have come out with a new platform that is a Reading X. Reading X, it's a web-based program. It can be accessed through any device. There is no time restriction. It's a global program and the concepts designed in this app are the age appropriate. The main focus of this Reading X is on the reading skills and the mathematical concepts. It has 3 modules: foundation stage, fast phonics, preparatory and the middle stage. We will be organizing a parent orientation program especially for this Reading X program so that you can understand and you can experience what actually this Reading X program that we are going to make it as a part of our curriculum from this academic year 2021-22 onwards, and it continues further. And we do also conducting a summer camp that is from 22nd April to 22nd May 2021. This summer camp involves all the online activities like dance, robotics, abacus and music. Only these 4 activities will be covered through online mode.
We are even planning to conduct activities through online mode. If everything goes on well, physical classes will be conducted as per the government guidelines. Schedule for the online classes will be shared through our school app latest by 30th May 2021. Parents are requested to download the app and keep yourself updated with the announcements coming from the school end. Regarding issue of books and reopening date for the school, we have already uploaded the circular in our school app for your kind pursuit. Keeping in view the requirements of our parents and necessities of our students, there's going to be the examination system from nursery level to grade 8. This info will be shared through the school app in the form of circular. We are very happy to share with you that this year has boosted us with good number of admissions, and this we were able to do it from our dear parents, but not through any other source. For this, it is tough for us to show our gratitude towards your love and affection.
We, the management of Spring Valley, wholeheartedly show our gratitude. Though it is tough, but we say wholeheartedly a very big thank you for the parents for giving reference to the outside people who have done, and they have given reference your names, and we had a good number of admissions with the source of our parents' reference. I feel very proud to say this statement. This year we got boosted up with the good admissions with our parents' reference. Thank you all parents. Keeping in view this pandemic and financial crisis existing with everyone, we, the management, have decided to reduce 10% of the tuition fee for this academic year 2021-22. It is must for the parents to purchase books, and regarding uniforms, it's optional. Through this platform, we want to convey to our parents that admissions for the classes nursery to grade 8 are in progress at both the branches, Chandanagar and Navya Colony, Ameerpur. We are so grateful to have wonderful volunteers like you at our school. We wouldn't be able to accomplish so much this year without your continued support. Thank you for making a difference in the lives of our students, teachers and staff. Though I say more number of thank yous, it is very less parents. Really a very, wholehearted gratitude we want to show it to you for the excellent support you have given to us. And another reminder, again I'm telling you, we are going to organize a summer camp through online mode from April 22nd to May 22nd, 2021. For further details about the summer camp, please do free to contact us on the school numbers.
On behalf of our Spring Valley management, we wish our parents community, well-wishers, near and dear, a very healthy Ugadi to all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
ఉగాది పండగ అంటేనే షడ్రుచుల సమ్మేళనం. చిరువేప పూత, మామిడి కాత పులుపులో పులికెంతతో పాటు 6 రుచులతో పాటు ఆనందంగా ఆరంభించే తెలుగు నూతన సంవత్సరమే ఉగాది పండగ. ఈ షడ్రుచులలో ఒక్కో రుచికి, ఒక్కో పదార్థానికి, ఒక్కో భావానికి ప్రతీక అని పెద్దలు చెబుతూ ఉంటారు. బెల్లంలో ఉండే తీపి ఆనందానికి, ఉప్పులో ఉండే గుణం మన జీవితంలో ఉత్సాహానికి, వేపపూతలోని చేదు మన జీవితంలో బాధ కలిగించే అనుభవాల గురించి, చింతలోని పులుపు మనం నేర్పుగా వ్యవహరించాల్సిన పరిస్థితులను, మామిడి ముక్కలలోని వగరు వంటి రుచులు కొత్త సవాళ్ల గురించి, ఇక చివరగా కారం విషయానికి వస్తే మనల్ని సహనం కోల్పోయేటట్టు చేసే పరిస్థితులను గుర్తు చేస్తుంది. మీకు, మీ కుటుంబ సభ్యులకు, మా శ్రేయోభిలాషులకు, మిత్రులకు స్ప్రింగ్ వ్యాలీ యాజమాన్యం తరఫున ప్లవనామ సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు. లాస్ట్ బట్ నాట్ లీస్ట్, సో April 15th, 2021 to 21st April 2021, we are celebrating Fitness Week. Fitness Week in the sense, because of this pandemic, we are feeling difficulty to go out, and during this pandemic it is very important for us to stay fit so that we can boost up our immunity in our body. So this Fitness Week is especially for the parents and children. So I am requesting all the parents to make a video what all the things that you are making your family to be fit, record it and do WhatsApp to us on the school mobile number 8886474446 or 98859319959 or 6301741356. Okay, before ending our session, I'm wishing all my parent community a very happy Ugadi. Thank you all for listening to us.